Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Muddathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 5. In today's lesson we're going to do just a quick revision for everything that we have studied in Microsoft Excel. So it's a project. You just open the shop and you want to make files for each and everything that you have or you want to sell. It doesn't matter if it's a restaurant or it's a library or a bookshop or maybe even a supermarket. You can create the same concept of the same project for every small business that you have. So you can make a worksheet for every single item that you are selling. We started out as an example, we created a My Snack Shop project, and the first thing that we are selling is special chicken. So we created an entire worksheet for calculating the ingredients for the special chicken recipe. To prepare this special chicken recipe, we need 1 kg of chicken, 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 cups of rice, and the spices that we're going to use. And we wrote down all the prices of each and every item that we have. Then I'm going to delete this to revise everything. So to create a whole big pot of chicken, how much is it going to cost you? We're going to calculate that by adding up all of the expenses that we used or we spent on the ingredients of the chicken. To do that, simply we want to get the total. Simply click here and click on auto sum. So when you click over here, the computer has a processor, right? It's kind of like a brain. So it's going to think that, okay, so the user wants to add up all of these numbers at the top of this cell. So I'm going to automatically select those for him. All you have to do is press enter. This way, the computer is going to add up everything that it has on the cells that you selected. Alright, so now I cooked up this big pot of special chicken. Now I want to know how many people are going to be eating that, or how many plates that big pot of chicken serves. So one big pot of chicken creates about, let's say, 6 plates. So I'm going to type 6 servings here. Okay, so it's a big pot and it serves 6 plates. How much one plate is going to cost? Simply we divide this and this here. So we're going to use formulas. Remember this, every single formula in Microsoft Excel starts with an equal sign. So I'm going to press equals and I'm going to ask the computer to divide this one, and the symbol for division is /, and then I'll click on this one. Why? Because I want to divide this and this. And then when the formula is ready, I'm going to press enter. Formulas are very easy and they all go the same. Okay, so now I know one plate costs $1.45. The selling price has to be more than the cost price. I cannot sell it with the same price. This way I will not make profits, right? So I'm going to think, if it's costing me 1.45, maybe I can sell one plate with let's say 1.75. That means $1.75. Okay, now I want the computer to calculate how much profit am I getting if I'm selling it with 1.75 and it costs 1.45. So simply I'm going to subtract those two. Again, equals this minus this and enter. And that is how you get the profit. So every time I sell one plate of special chicken, I'm going to make 30 cents. Now you want to add more items to sell. You're not just gonna open a whole restaurant to sell just special chicken, right? So we already have a new worksheet over here, but to add a new worksheet, you must use this plus button right here. Let's do an example. Click. See, I created a new worksheet, but I don't want this worksheet. I'm gonna move it here. Right click and delete. So we already have the mint tea over here, so we created another worksheet to calculate the mint ingredients and costs, totals and profits and everything. So to prepare a mint tea, all you need to get is mint and honey. Mint costs $0.30 and honey costs $1. I'm going to delete those. Okay, so the total, how to calculate the total? Simply click on the auto sum and press enter. This whole big pot of mint tea can serve up to 5 people, meaning 5 cups of mint tea. Okay, so now I know that the whole pot costs 1.30 and it serves 5 people. Now I want to know how much does it cost to prepare 1 cup of tea. So again, I'm going to divide this into 5, right? Again, every formula in Excel sheet starts with equals. Now I'm going to click on the total. Divided by, the sign is slash or forward slash. And then I'm going to click on 5 and then press enter. Okay, so now I know that 1 cup of tea costs 0.25 or 0.25 cents. How much am I going to sell it? Again, I cannot sell it with the same cost price. I'm going to add a little bit more. So let's assume that I'm going to sell the cup of tea, 1 cup of tea with 35 cents. Now I know how much am I going to get of profit every time I sell 1 cup. What am I going to do? I'm going to subtract the cost and the selling price here. So I'm going to press equals selling price minus cost per serving and then press enter. So I'm going to get 0.09 cents every time I sell 1 cup of tea. My dear students, this is an eye break. If you're feeling a little bit tired and you can't concentrate, pause the video, go grab yourself a cup of water, and then come back and resume. This is a long lesson and I want you to fully understand every single bit of it. Okay? Now if you want to add more items, you just simply add a worksheet right here. But in this example, we only sell special chicken and mint tea. So I have a worksheet for the summary right here. In this worksheet, we're going to learn how we can grab values from different worksheets, how we can get the profit for special chicken from this worksheet. Simply press equals on the keyboard, go to the special chicken and press on the profit and press enter. The same for mint tea. Click here, press equals, go to mint tea worksheet and click on the profit and press enter. See, it grabs the value from any worksheet that you assign. Okay, so it was a busy day at my restaurant and I sold about let's say 30 plates of special chicken and people drink more tea, so let's say that I sold about 100 cups of tea. How can I calculate the entire profit for this product or this item? Simply we do multiplication. So let's start the formula. Equals this, and the symbol for multiplication is the star. Okay, so you have to press shift and the number 8 on the keyboard. Multiply by how many servings I sold, and I'm going to click here and press enter. For special chicken I made $9 profit. Okay, so let's convert all of the money into currency using this button right here, If you want the dollars, you just have to click on the arrow and navigate to reach the United States dollars. Okay, I'm going to convert this as well to dollars. Okay, I'm going to do the same for Minty. I'm going to multiply this and this. So equals the profit star, that means multiply by this one, and press enter. So apparently I made $9 selling special chicken, and again $9 selling Minty. Now I want to know how much of all the items that I sold, the total for the profit. That means adding this and this, very simply. So click here, go to auto sum. This time the computer doesn't understand that I want to add up those two. Okay, so I'm going to click and drag to select those two and press enter. So today 9 plus 9 equals 18. So today I made $18 selling special chicken and Minty. Selling 30 plates of special chicken and 100 cup of Minty, I made $18, which is a good day. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys understood everything. This was just a revision for the entire dealing with numbers or making data using Microsoft Excel. Just know that we have plenty of softwares that manages spreadsheets, and they all have the same options. So if you know Microsoft Excel and you are an expert in that, you will be expert in any other spreadsheet software. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and please, if you have any questions, please do send me using the add button. Here is the thing. On the comment section, please let me know if you have another business that you can apply the same system for, this whole system. What would that business be? Okay, use the add button and send me your ideas. This is it for this lesson, and I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Take good care until I see you in the next lesson. Bye.